Brand, Okuma. Rod length, 6 feet. Color, blue. Material, synthetic. Fishing technique, spinning. Convenient nylon travel bag. Shock-resistant foam insert. Adjustable shoulder strap. Top reviews from the United States. Great travel rod. Don't usually leave reviews, but this travel rod combo is a great rod combo, especially for travel. Rod and reel are more than adequate. Case is flexible enough to add extras items, lures, line into the case. Took one with me on an Alaska drive trip and it worked great for me. Put on 8lb test line and work great on base at home too. Can't beat it for the price for an inexpensive at home or quick travel rod.